Hello everyone, welcome to CUET General Knowledge episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, which element is known as the king of chemicals? A. Nitrogen, B. Oxygen, C. Sulfuric acid, D. Chlorine. The correct answer is option C, sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is known as the king of chemicals due to its widespread industrial use in manufacturing fertilizers, chemicals, and petroleum products. Next question is, which of the following is known as the science of classification? A. Taxonomy, B. Genetics, C. Ecology, D. Biotechnology. The correct answer is option A, taxonomy. Taxonomy is the branch of science that deals with the classification, naming, and identification of organisms. Next question is, the French Revolution began in which year? A. 1776, B. 1789, C. 1799, D. 1815. The correct answer is option B, 1789. The French Revolution began in 1789 and led to the end of absolute monarchy and the rise of democracy in France. Next question is, which of the following planets has the longest day? A. Venus, B. Mars, C. Jupiter, D. Saturn. The correct answer is option A, Venus. Venus has the longest day of any planet in the solar system, taking about 243 Earth days to complete one full rotation on its axis. Next question is, the Battle of Plassey, 1757, was fought between the British East India Company and which ruler? A. Mir Jafar, B. Siraj-ud-Dowlah, C. Mahadaji Shinde, D. Rani Lakshmi-Bai. The correct answer is option B. Siraj-ud-Dowlah. The Battle of Plassey was fought between the British East India Company and Siraj-ud-Dowlah, the Nawab of Bengal. Next question is, who is known for writing the Canterbury Tales? A. Thomas Hardy, B. William Shakespeare, C. John Milton, D. Geoffrey Chaucer. The correct answer is option D, Geoffrey Chaucer. Geoffrey Chaucer is the author of the Canterbury Tales, a collection of stories told by pilgrims on their way to Canterbury. Next question is, which crop is known as the golden fiber in India? A. Cotton, B. Rice, C. Wheat, D. Jute. The correct answer is option D, jute. Jute is known as the golden fiber due to its golden, silky appearance and is primarily grown in West Bengal and Bangladesh. Next question is, which was the first successful mission to land a spacecraft on Mars? A. Mars Odyssey, B. Mars Rover, C. Viking 1, D. Curiosity Rover. The correct answer is option C, Viking 1. Viking 1 was the first successful mission to land on Mars in 1976, providing the first detailed images of the Martian surface. Next question is, the factor of production that is not mobile and earns rent is A. Land, B. Labor, C. Capital, D. Entrepreneur. The correct answer is option A. Land. Land is a fixed factor of production and earns rent, which reflects its fixed nature. Last question is, the Allegory of the Cave was written by which philosopher? A. Aristotle, B. Plato, C. Socrates, D. Marcus Aurelius. The correct answer is option B, Plato. The Allegory of the Cave is a philosophical concept presented by Plato in his work, The Republic, exploring human perception and knowledge. Now it's time for practice question. The law of conservation of mass is attributed to which scientist? A. Isaac Newton, B. Albert Einstein, C. Antoine Lavoisier, D. Dmitri Mendeleev. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.